Your loving kindness endures forever. Your mercies never come to an end, they never come to an end. It's Christ, this grace and truth came through. It's His mercies that brought me to this truth. Oh Lord, you are the joy of my heart. Oh Lord, my refuge and fortress. Oh Lord, you are my only hope of life. Oh Lord, my anchor where I rest. It's good to give thanks to your name and sing praises to your holy name, O Most High.